Diwali with Me sale returns with discounts on Redmi K20, Redmi K20 Pro, Redmi Note 7 Pro, Mi TV 4a Pro 43-inch, and more. Redmi Note 7 Pro, Poco F1, Redmi K20 Pro, Redmi K20, Redmi Y3, and Redmi Note 7s among others have received discounted prices during the latest Diwali with Me sale that is live until Friday, October 25th. Xiaomi on Monday kicked off the third iteration of its native sale in the country after concluding the first two versions earlier this month. The latest sale round also brings offers on various Mi TV models. Additionally, there are deals on Mi Home Security Camera 360 and Mi Air Purifier 2S among others. Customers can also avail discounts on Mi Men's Sports Shoes 2, Mi Earphones Basic, and Mi LED Wi-Fi Smart Bulb among others. Diwali with Me sale offers on Xiaomi phones. As per the listing on the Mi.com site, Xiaomi is offering up to Rs. 12,000 discount on smartphones under the Diwali with Me sale. The company has listed the Redmi Note 7 Pro at Rs. 11,999, down from the launch price of Rs. 13,999 for the base 4GB plus 64GB storage variant. The Poco F1, on the other hand, is available with a starting price of Rs. 15,999. It normally retails at Rs. 17,999. Further, the sale brings the Redmi K20 Pro with an initial price of Rs. 24,999, down from Rs. 27,999. The Redmi K20 is also on sale with a starting price of Rs. 19,999. It normally starts at 21,999 rupees. In addition to the popular Redmi phones, the Xiaomi sale brings the Redmi Y3 starting at Rs. 7,999, down from its regular price of 9,999 rupees. The customers purchasing a smartphone during the Diwali with Me sale can avail Mi Protect starting at Rs. 399 and Mi Screen Protect starting at Rs. 299. Moreover, Airtel 4G customers can also avail a cashback worth Rs. 2,000 on their new Xiaomi smartphone. Redmi K20 Pro 24,999, 27,999. Redmi K20 19,999, 21,999. Redmi Note 7 Pro 11,999, 13,999. Poco F1 15,999, 17,999. Redmi Y3 7,999, 9,999. Diwali with Me sale, Mi TV deals, offers. Aside from smartphones, the latest Xiaomi sale has brought deals and offers on Mi TV models. There is the discounted Mi TV 4a Pro 43-inch at Rs. 20,999. It was launched earlier this year at Rs. 22,999. Similarly, the Mi TV 4c Pro 32-inch is available under the sale at Rs. 11,499. The TV model normally retails at 13,999 rupees. The customers can also avail Mi extended warranty with any of the listed Mi TV models at a starting price of Rs. 399. Diwali with Me sale, other deals, offers. The Diwali with Me sale also includes deals and offers on various accessories and gadgets. As a part of the 5-day sale, the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones are available at Rs. 1,599, down from Rs. 1,799. The Mi Home Security Camera Basic is also listed at Rs. 1,499, down from Rs. 2,299. The Mi Home Security Camera 360 has also received a discount at Rs. 2,499, down from the launch price of Rs. 2,699. Further, the Mi Air Purifier 2S is available at Rs. 7,999. It normally retails at 8,999 rupees. Xiaomi is also offering the Mi Earphones Basic that usually retails at Rs. 599 under the latest sale at Rs. 399. Similarly, the Mi Men's Sports Shoes 2 are listed at Rs. 2,499, down from Rs. 2,999. There is also discounts on smartphone accessories, chargers, and data cables. Additionally, the Diwali with Mi sale brings no-cost EMI options on select products. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.